This plier makes sewing a bit easier. So if you want to know how to use this plier, stay tuned and watch till the end. Thank you. So this is the plier with the prong rings. They are practically called the stud and the socket. Okay, now you can see the plier. This is it. One part of this plier has a side that has a hole inside. Just watch closely. You see one side has a hole. You can see it this side, and this side is flat. Okay, so the side that has a hole inside will be where this part, okay, that has mouth. So let me show you. You can see each of them. Okay, has a closing part. You can see them, the rings. So I'm going to take that side. Okay, I just differentiated it, and I look at this one has teeth. It has the teeth. This one is for the closing part. Okay, this one is the flat surface that has the round smooth surface. Then this is the side that has the mouth, okay, that needs to be choked in. Okay, if you look closely, you'll see it. Just take a close look. So you can see me pressing it into that hole. Okay, if you press it rightly, it will clip very well. Then you take the side that has a teeth. Look at it very closely. Okay, it will be on the flat side that has no hole, so that when you clip it, sorry, it fell off, I'll do it again. So when you clip it, one of the side, just like the one that has entrance, must have the side that has sharp teeth. Okay, because that part is going to be the covering. All right, so I am using this material now to test it. This is like a pulling material, so I'm going to use it to clip on this particular fabric. And whenever you are doing it, please do it firmly. Okay, this is where you're going to exert your power. Okay, it's very easy to do once you have placed it rightly. So I'm going to clip it here, clip it down, very easy. So, and this is it. Okay, you can see the back. Okay, you can also see the front. So I'm going to also clip the socket. I told you that one is the stud and the other side is the socket. Okay, very easily I'm going to place this on the side that has that hole. Okay, now the flat side, okay, is for the teeth. Look at where I placed it, the side that has a hole. Okay, then the other side that is flat without the hole is for the side with teeth. Okay, so this is it. When I'm done placing it, it has entered very well, clipped perfectly. I will now get my fabric and do the same thing. Clip it firmly, so that it doesn't come off when you want to unbutton your clothes. I hope that's clear. So that's what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to clip it very firmly. Okay, this particular plier, you can actually get it on any shopping platform. I think I got this on Temu, and it's quite very affordable on Temu. You can try it out, or you can even buy it at any affordable store around you that sells it. And so once you are done with this, you can see that it has clipped perfectly. You can see it is holding firmly. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.